In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design anything for your business in under 5 minutes. Hi everyone, it's Kevin from Solopreneur. Super excited for this video. So when you're running an online business, there are so many things you have to do, and one of those things is design, right? When you're promoting everything online, a big component of that is the visual component. So I'm talking about your videos, your thumbnails if you're doing YouTube, your Twitter cards when you're posting, your Facebook cards, your banners, just everything. So the way we're going to do this is using a free tool called Canva. Now, guys, I run multiple businesses and I just want to show you all the things so far I've designed in Twitter. And this is just in recent years. I've had previous Canva accounts where I've done everything. So you can see here, I'm doing logos for the Solopreneur brand. This is my YouTube header. As you can see, I create all my thumbnails in Canva. I also have a resort YouTube channel. So doing that in Canva, you can see here. I do birthday cards, even my personal life, right? Instagram posts for another brand I actually just recently sold. It was a subscription box business. You can see here all the collateral for that. This one as well. I was selling virtual reality, custom branded Google Cardboard. Sold this business as well, but I was doing a lot of design. So guys, you can see here, I've done so much in Canva, and it seems like a lot, but let me show you how easy this is. So one thing you may want to start with your business is a logo. So we can see here, we click here, and now it's shown us tons of templates, right? So we can just go, let's say it's a computer-based business. You can go in here, and you can see anything here. You can just click on it. It loads the template. You can move anything. You can delete it. You can change colors. Everything is drag and drop. Probably the easiest system you've ever used. You can change the font, change colors, right? So I'll do another example. Let's say you're doing a fashion line, right? So you can just go in here. Everything can be changed, guys. Like just click, drag and drop. You can add a new page. You can, like, if you want to make multiple versions, you can duplicate it, and so you can make 2, 3, 4 versions. Of course, also, guys, a little bit more advanced design. But if you're familiar, you can create your alternate version of your logo, right? So you want white on black, for example. So you could make the alternate white version that if you want to put on a colored background, a little bit more advanced. If you guys, if you know some design fundamentals there, but you can create anything here, guys. So just a quick example, a logo, and let's jump into another one, an infographic as an example. To create an infographic, it is an extreme amount of work normally. And I've hired people in the past prior to this tool to do it, and it is an insane amount of work and time. But look at this, guys. Let's just say you have opening a restaurant. Look at this one. This one's done for you. All you have to do is change the text. Look at that, right? So let's say you have some sort of consulting business that's talking about opening a restaurant. Guys, super easy. The next thing, right? Like social media, best times to post, like anything you want for any subject. If you're teaching people entrepreneurship, any subject, you can have it here, right? You have a charity, all results, and then it's so easy. All you have to do is go here and hit download, and then you can change the format. You can get PNG for obviously web usage. You can do PDF print if you want to actually print this. So crazy what you can do with Canva. I mean, I could probably do a tutorial for like 8 hours on everything you could do, like just to show you, even video. Like it's that adaptable. And let's say you're working on YouTube like me here. If you want to make an outro for your video right at the end, like look at that. It's just that simple. You can change, you can add things, and then like I said, let's make this. For example, you can also save your brand colors. Now that's a feature in Pro, but I'll talk about Pro in a second. But you can do a lot of the stuff with the free version. You can change this, right? Whatever text, you can make it black. You can change the font, like I showed you guys, anything. And like if you wanted to add something to this, like let's say you wanted to add a car, just go to Elements, look at all of this, right? Just drag it in, done. right, guys? So many things that you can do here, right? I'll do one more example here. Do one more example. Let's say YouTube thumbnail, right? YouTube thumbnail, because that's something that I'm doing on YouTube, obviously. So many examples here. So just click in here. If we wanted to do this, we can change the text, like I said, resize it, make different versions. Guys, super easy, super intuitive. No, it's so easy. It's almost like instant when you start using it. Probably the easiest design tool I've ever used. And guys, I'm pretty good with Photoshop and Illustrator. I've been using them for a long time, 10 plus years, and I still use this. So, and they have really good support as well. You can just type in, if you want to learn how to do something. They have great tutorials, so the help section is great too. What else can we talk about here? One more thing. Let's do a Twitter card. All right, let's do a Twitter card or a Twitter post. Guys, if we're doing a Twitter post, it's that easy. You want to add those nice cards to your posts. So many different options. Let's say you're doing an announcement. Say you have a sale or something on your online store. You can just, boom, add this, and you're off to the races. And like I mentioned, you can just go in here. You could add anything you want. Let's say you want a sale tag or something like that, right? Sale, and then boom. Oh, okay, look at that. We can drag it there. Also, so many cool things. There are stock photos here. Let's say you want a shop, like someone shopping, right? Let's say you want to add like a person to this, right? So you can just grab it and drag it in. Now you guys probably saw there's a couple of things that say free and there's a couple of things that say pro. So the free version is great. I'd say it takes you 50-60% of the way there. Now I'm using the pro version. So really quickly, what the advantages of the pro are: you get the brand kit here, which is, it's just, to summarize, it's sort of time saving. Right? So you save a lot of time with the pro version. You already save a ton of time with the regular version. You probably save an extra 25-30% with the time with the pro version, and for the price you pay, it's nothing. But I'll just show you some examples. Like, you get the brand kit. What that means is that you can store your colors for your brand here. So for example, if I go here, I have multiple brands I run, so I just have all my primary brand colors here, so I can just click on it and it'll change it. Now, of course, you could write your hex code down somewhere, and you can do it manually and just go in here and you can just type the code right here. Again, guys, you can still do it with the free version. It's just with the pro version, you get a little bit more quality of life improvements, right? So say, for example, this is for Twitter, and I wanted to make it for Facebook. With the pro version, I can just magically resize, and it'll just copy and resize. Again, with the free version, you can do it. You can just recreate it for free. But with the pro version, you save a lot of time. You get access to premium photos. You get access to premium videos, premium icons. So, guys, I would personally recommend you get the pro version from the get-go, because they have a free trial, and if you're designing a bunch of stuff, you can just design it super fast, even faster to start. And then, even if you use the pro version for a couple of months to get all the main things you need designed, because you'll save so much time. And then if you downgrade to the free version, you could do that. If you love it, you can keep it. Now, I keep it personally. I think they have a 30-day free trial to start, so I'll drop a link in the description. But guys, like anything else, like I want to do, actually, I think some stuff you might not even think of, right? You could do personal stuff, right? So which is what I use it for too. So even if you're paying for the pro version, like you get so much utility out of it, right? Like I use it for business use, but like, look, let's say you have a party, you have anything, like it's amazing. Like and then even like we were talking about, if you want to do some more traditional stuff, like a business card, right? If people still use those, you give yourself a certificate, a menu, a letterhead. Literally, guys, it's crazy. Even a desktop wallpaper, if you wanted to design your own, like literally, guys, there are amazing designer created templates for anything. So it's a must use for your business. It's probably one of the top time saving hacks for me for when I'm working on things. It's just a must use, guys. sign up for it. Whether you go with the free version or you go with the pro version, you will not be disappointed. If you need to start using Canva yesterday, if you're not already. All right, guys, so that's it. Give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. It really encourages me to continue making these free videos for you guys. And if you like the content, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.